Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this SAT equation. In a right triangle, one angle measures x degrees, where sine x degrees is equal to 4 over 5. What is cos of 90 degrees minus x degrees? So here, we just use the complementary properties of sine and cos, where the sine of an angle is the same as the cos of 90 degrees minus that angle. So in our case, we already have sine of x degrees being equal to 4 over 5. Therefore, that will be the same for cos of 90 degrees minus x degrees, which is just 4 over 5, which you can write in decimal form as 0.8. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe.